So without the two pillars, which is practice and the guidance, nobody will make UPSC.
इस एग्जाम में आपके हिसाब से गाइडेंस का कितना रोल?
बहुत ज्यादा।
The utmost requisites are a proper guidance and a good environment. And I can say that with full confidence that Bano IS succeeded in providing both of these to me.
This institution offers a very unique kind of mentorship and a very unique kind of curriculum.
इस एग्जाम में आपके हिसाब से गाइडेंस का कितना रोल?
बहुत ज्यादा। इन द वर्ल्ड विच इज फुल ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन, क्लैरिटी इज अ प्रिविलेज। तो अगर आपके पास ऐसे लोग हैं जो आपको सही गाइड कर रहे हैं तो यू आर प्रिविलेज्ड। और क्योंकि मैं भी 1-1.5 साल मिसगाइडेड रहा हूँ जब मैं प्रिपेयर करता था, तो आई वुड लाइक टू टेल, मैंने प्रीलिम्स के 100-150 पेपर लगाए थे। एक किसी टॉपर का सुन लिया था कि 20,000 क्वेश्चन कर लो, प्रीलिम्स तो ऐसे ही हो जाएगा। दैट वाज द वर्स्ट स्टेप आई कुड टेक। तो ये होता है, आप मिसगाइडेड हो सकते हैं। कोशिश करना है कि जो आपको ऑनेस्ट सजेशन दे रहा है, रॉ सजेशन दे रहा है, जो आपका कंस्ट्रक्टिव क्रिटिसिज्म आपको ऑफर कर रहा है, टेक इट पॉजिटिवली, उस पे काम कीजिए और गाइडेंस के साथ ही जाइए। ऐसे हाथ पैर मारने से नहीं। There is a difference between hard work and smart work.
I knew I needed guidance, so Bano IS was here for me. I would like to emphasize on the uniqueness of the institute because of the mentorship program that it gives. It has teachers that are there for you at every single step. You might barge into their office at any time and you might cry your queries out. They will listen to you at every single step of your preparation. So it's your task is just to study. They will be there for you. They will give you the pen, they will give you the notebooks, they will give you every possible guidance that you need. All you have to do is just study. So like all the added pressure that comes with making the strategy, following it, they have taken that pressure off our shoulders. So I guess that's a really nice thing about the institute.
We are getting strategic mentorship from our dedicated mentors. They are giving us personal attention.
This institution offers a very unique kind of mentorship and a very unique kind of curriculum. And from day one, we are following the pattern of answer writing, which is very important aspect when it comes to main preparation. To be more precise, they also helped us understand as to what should be the length of introduction, how we are supposed to write conclusion, what are the main pointers that must be present in the main body of the answer, and how are the different kinds of representation that must be used in order to cater maximum marks. Thanks a lot for this mentorship, and I wanted to emphasize upon this answer writing aspect. Thanks a lot.
I personally feel that for any candidate who's beginning the preparation, the utmost requisites are a proper guidance and a good environment. And I can say that with full confidence that Bano IS succeeded in providing both of these to me.
So whosoever wants to clear this exam should have three things. One is content, second is guidance, and third is the practice. So without the two pillars, which is practice and the guidance, nobody will make UPSC. So at Bano IS, we focus on the later two pillars, which are guidance and practice, and content is always 1920 everywhere. कहीं भी चले जाओ